Ready, start. These appeals challenge the order dated 4/1/2023, where the High Court of Bombay dismissed a writ petition filed impugning a notice dated 6/12/2022, issued by Slum Rehabilitation Authority, directing appellants to vacate their respective premises located in the plot of land in question, as the same is to be redeveloped. Full stop. The SRA issued a notice dated 28/1/2019 under sections 33 and 38 of the Maharashtra Slum Areas (Improvement, Clearance and Redevelopment Act, 1971) and directed appellants to vacate their respective premises within 15 days for the reason that appellants were occupying a slum area which was to be redeveloped. Full stop. The challenge to the notice dated 28/1/2019 before the Apex Grievance Redressal Committee under Section 35 (1A) of the Slum Act was dismissed by order dated 12/6/2019. Full stop. Despite the affirmation of notice dated 28/1/2019 by the AGRC, appellants did not hand over their premises to the developer for the redevelopment of the area, and thus, SRA issued another notice on 6/12/2022 under sections 33 and 38 of the Slum Act, directing appellants to vacate their premises within 48 hours. Full stop. This notice of 6/12/2022 was challenged before the High Court by filing a writ petition which has been dismissed by the impugned order dated 4/1/2023. Full stop. We have heard both sides and perused the material on record. Full stop. Before we deal with the facts of the present case, we would like to discuss some of the provisions of the Slum Act which govern the redevelopment of slum areas. Full stop. The term slum area is defined under section 2 of the Act. Full stop. The competent authority, appointed under Section 3 of the Slum Act, is empowered to declare any area as a slum area under Section 4 of the Slum Act. Full stop. The Slum Act is a welfare legislation enacted in 1971 with the object of rehabilitating slum dwellers in order to improve their living conditions. Full stop. The subsequent amendment to the Slum Act in the year 1996 inserted an entirely new chapter, that is chapter 1A, for the purpose of slum rehabilitation. Full stop. Under section 3A of this new chapter of the Slum Act, the state has appointed a Slum Rehabilitation Authority which prepares and implements slum rehabilitation schemes as per section 3B of the Slum Act. Full stop. There is another state statute relevant here, which is Maharashtra Housing and Area Development Act, 1976. Full stop. The Act focuses on providing affordable housing across the state of Maharashtra, and like SRA, which is created under the Slum Act, Maharashtra Housing and Area Development Authority was formed under MHAD Act. Full stop. There are well-defined areas in which the MHAD Act and Slum Act operate. Full stop. However, there are some overlapping areas as well. Full stop. Be that as it may, we are not required to get into the details of this aspect. Full stop. Coming back to the facts of the case, SRA sanctions a rehabilitation scheme in 2010 and appoints respondent number 3 developer to redevelop the area for respondent number 9, that is the proposed society named Bharat Ekta Cooperative Society, in terms of the Slum Act and Development Control Regulations for Greater Mumbai, 1991. Full stop. Under the scheme, the plot in question was joined with two other adjoining plots, and an amalgamated scheme for slum rehabilitation was to be implemented. Full stop. The developer initiated the redevelopment project in two phases. Full stop. After completing phase first, when the developer sought to vacate the present plot in phase second during construction, the present appellants did not cooperate, and consequently, the developer requested the competent authority to initiate necessary action against the appellants, among others under sections 33 and 38 of the Slum Act. Full stop. Where the erection of any building has been commenced, or is being carried out, or has been completed, in contravention of the provisions of section 8 of any restriction or condition imposed under subsection within bracket 10 of section 12, or a plan for the redevelopment of any clearance area, are in contravention of any notice, order or direction issued or given under this act, the competent authority may, in addition to any other remedy that may be resorted to under this act or under any other law, make an order directing that such erection shall be demolished by the owner thereof within such time not exceeding 2 months as may be specified in the order. Full stop.